Namaste, gentlemen. In this lockdown, everyone, literally everyone, including me, we all have become a bit lazy. And if you are following Indian men's fashion, I don't want you guys to be lazy. Instead, I want you to be working on yourself. I want you to be working on your style. I want you to be working on your personality. I want you to be a better version of yourself every single day. And that's why I came up with this video. 5 simple tips to improve your style in online lectures. Tip number 1. Wake up early in the morning, at least 2 hours before the lecture, and do some simple exercises like stretching and push-ups. Then take your bath, eat something, and let's get ready. Tip number 2. Wash your face properly because your camera will be facing your face. Comb your hairs properly. You can watch a hairstyle video for proper hairstyles. Don't use gels or wax क्योंकि इंडियन मार्केट में ऐसा कोई जेल या वैक्स नहीं है जो आपके बालों को ख़राब ना करे. You can use plain coconut oil. Tip number 3. Wear shorts क्योंकि आपको दिन भर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स में बैठना है and it's not comfortable to wear jeans. बस कैमरा का ध्यान रखना कि वो नीचे ना जाए. Tip number 4. Focus on your upper body more than your lower body. You should wear slim fit shirt or t-shirt. As I say, you look very mature in plain t-shirts. Tip number 5. Wear glasses. It protects your eyes from the laptop screen. And it also looks very sophisticated. दोस्तों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर करो, नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाओ. और आपको जिस भी टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए मुझे नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताओ.